Hello students, today we are going to discuss the problems on the topic combinations. In the previous video we have discussed the theorems based on combinations. Now we are going to discuss some problems on this topic. So let us start. We are starting from exercise 7.4 from NCERT. In this exercise, there is one question. Question number 2. In this question, it is given that 2 and C3 ratio NC3 equal to, this is equal to 12:1. Then we have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. Now, students, you know that NCR equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r factorial r. You know this formula. We are going to use this formula in this. So, for the first term, we can write factorial 2n by factorial 2n minus 3 into factorial 3 the ratio, and for this we can write factorial n by factorial n minus 3 into factorial 3, which is equal to 12:1. This can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial. We have extended factorial 2n up to the value 2n minus 3. We do this because this term is cancelled out with this and the value of factorial 3. Now we are multiplying with the reciprocal of this, because this is the ratio, means this term divided by this term. So in place of division we write multiplication. Then we write the reciprocal of this term, which is factorial 3n minus 3 into factorial 3y. Now we are going to expand factorial n up to the value this. So we can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Now from this is cancelled out with this is cancelled out with this, and factorial 3 is cancelled out with factorial 3. Now we can write 2n minus 1, and for taking 2 common from this term, we can write 2n minus 1 divided by, this is also given equal to 12:1. 12 divided by 1. This is also given, and now from this we can write n minus 1, n minus 2, which is equal to 12/1. Now n minus 1 is cancelled out with n is cancelled out with n. We get 2 to the 4 into 2n minus 1 equal to, and this is cross multiplied with 12, so we get 12n minus 2. Now this becomes 4 is cancelled out, 12 3 times. So this is equal to 2n minus 1 equal to 3n minus 6. Now we can find the value of n by, simplify this. So this can be written as 6 minus 1 equal to, minus 6 is transported to left side and 2n is transported to right side. This is equal to 3n minus 2n. Now 6 minus 1 equal to 5, and this is equal to n. This is the value of n which we have to find. This is the solution for this question. Now second part is can also be solved in similar manner. So that part is for your practice. Now we are going to discuss another problem. Now we are taking question number 3. In this question, the question is that how many chords can be drawn? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? In this question, there is a circle, and on that circle there are 21 points on that. We have to find the number of chords which can be drawn from these 21 points. Now all of you know that the chord of a circle is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Suppose that this is a circle. There are some points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to 21. There are 21 points. Now a chord can be drawn by joining any 2 points. If we join 1 with 2, then this is a chord, this is another chord, this is one more chord, and this is one more chord. In this manner, we can find out the number of chords. Now from this figure, we can see that a chord can be drawn by choosing 2 points on the circle. Means we can select any 2 points on the circle and we join those 2 points, then we get a chord. So for a chord, we have to select only 2 points. Now there are 21 points, then the number of chords is equal to the number of ways in which we can select 2 points out of these 21 points. So number of chords, a chord can be drawn by selecting 2 points. On the circle, by selecting 2 points on the circle and by joining them. Thus number of chords equal to, this is equal to the number of ways in which we can select 2 points out of 21. So these are 21 C2. All of you know that. From this notation, what we mean? This notation means we have n points and we have to take r points at a time. Then the number of ways to select r points out of n distinct points. This is NCR. So here are 21 points, out of which we have to select only 2 points. So number of ways equal to 21 C2, and the value of this is 21 factorial by 21 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which can be written as 21 into 20 into 19 factorial by 19 factorial into 2. This is cancelled out with this, and 2 10 20. So this is equal to 210. This is your answer. Now we are going to discuss another question. We are going to discuss question number 6. In this question, it is given that a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. 5 black and 6 red balls. And it is said, now we have to determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So, number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls. 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. We have to find out this. Now there are 5 black and 6 red balls. How many black balls are there? 5 black balls, and we have to select 2 black balls out of 5 black balls, and we have to select 3 red balls from 6 red balls. So number of ways to select 2 black balls from 5 black balls. 5 black balls. This is equal to 5C2, and in the similar manner, number of ways to select 3 red balls from 6 red balls. This is equal to 6C3. Now in this selection, first we have to select 2 red balls, 2 black balls from 5, and after that we have to select 3 red balls out of 6. So by fundamental principle of counting, we can write total number of ways equal to, this is equal to 5C2 into 6C3. Now we can solve this. So this can be written as factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 2, which is factorial 3 into factorial 3 multiplied by factorial 6 factorial 3 into factorial 3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Now this can be solved. This can be written as 5 into 4 into factorial 3 by factorial 3 into 2 into 6 can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 by factorial 3 into 6. Value of factorial 3 is 6. This is cancelled out with this. This is with this. Factorial 3 by factorial 3, and 2 to the 4. This becomes 5 to the 10 and 5 4 the 20. 20 into 10, 200. So there are 200 ways for this selection. This is clear, students. Now we are going to discuss one more question. The question is 9. In this question, it is given that in how many ways can a student, in how many ways can a student Choose a program of 5 courses. Choose a program of 5 courses out of 9. Out of 9 are available. Out of 9 are available, and 2 specific courses are compulsory. There are 2 compulsory courses for every student. This is the problem. Here there are total 9 courses. How many courses are there? 9 courses. And out of which we have to select 5 courses out of 9 courses. In these 5 courses, we have to select 5 courses, and in these 5 courses, 2 specific courses are compulsory. Compulsory courses are 2 and optional courses are we have to choose 5 courses out of these 9 courses. In these 5 courses, there are 2 compulsory courses and the 3 courses which we have to choose are optional. Means there are 9 courses, we have to choose 5 courses in which 2 courses are compulsory and 3 courses are optional. Now these compulsory courses are for every student. There are only 3 optional courses. That means out of 9 courses, 2 courses are reserved for compulsory courses. So there are only 7 choices available for these 3 optional courses. So these 3 optional courses can be selected out of 7 available courses. Now, number of ways to select 3 courses, 3 optional courses. Optional courses out of 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Means we can write out of 7, which is 9 minus 2. There are 7 optional courses. Out of 7 optional courses, which is equal to 7C3, and the value of this can be calculated factorial 7 by factorial 7 into factorial 3. We can solve this. We are going to write the solution of this here. Then this is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 by factorial 4 into 6. This is cancelled out with this. This is by this. So this is, there are 35 ways. So there are total 35 ways in which we can select 5 courses in which 2 courses are compulsory. This is clear, students. Today it is sufficient. Now remaining questions are for your practice. If there is any problem, you can discuss. They are in doubt class. Okay students, thank you.